morning everyone. My name is Priyanka. Today my daily routine. I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock. After that I set bed. After that I turn outside light. After that I drink water. After that I brush my teeth. After that I वो लग रहा है सर फिर से एक बार. After that I make breakfast. After that I go to bath. After that I ready for school. After that I eat breakfast. After that I go to school. After that I attend English class. Then I do prayer with staff and children. Then I teach class. Then I do lunch with staff and children. Then I check and give assignment. Then I attend English activity class, and then I work computer, and then I go home. After that I clean dishes. After that I worship. After that I talk my brother, sister and mother. After that I make food. After that I read book. After that I go to sleep. Thank you. That is my.
Good morning everyone. I am Neelam ma'am. I telling daily routine. My daily routine. I get up in the morning at 6. Then I fresh. Then brush my teeth. Then make tea for all members. Then I take tea with my mother, and I bath. I take bath in the morning at 7, and I prepare breakfast, and I take breakfast with my daughter and my family members, and I get ready for school in the morning at 8, and I go to school at 8:45. I come to school, and I attend English class with my staff. My English teacher, Mr. Tiwari sir, he is a good teacher, and I do pray with my staff and childrens, and I take my class, and we take lunch with staff and students, and then I attend with staff and children's activity class, and I come to home at 4:45, and come to home, and sometime rest. I fresh up and take tea, and I talk my daughters and my husband. Then I prepare dinner, and in the evening at 8 we take dinner with family members and my daughter, and I play with my daughters, and go to bed, and then I sometime my daily practice English classes, and I go to bed for sleep. Thanks.
Good morning all of you. I am telling about my daily routine. I wake up in the morning at 7 o'clock. Then I stay in bed for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I freshen up. After that I brush my teeth. Then I make a breakfast, and then I take bath. Then I pack my tiffin and water bottle. After that I take a lunch Then
आई टेक लंच, और लंच नहीं, एक खाना थोड़ी खाते हैं, खाना खाते हैं, करेक्ट? सो आई टेक लंच।
I take lunch. Then I ready for the school. Then my brother leave me to school.
Leaves me.
Leaves me to school. After that, I keep my luggage in the staff room. Then I attend my class. Then class is over. We do prayer with staff and childrens.
चिल्ड्रन अपने आप में प्लूरल है, तो चिल्ड्रंस नहीं होगा, चाइल्ड चिल्ड्रन, करेक्ट?
Children.
ओके।
Then start my work. Then we take lunch with the staff and children. Then again I start my work. Then I wrap up my work. After then I wrap up my all works at 5 o'clock. Then I go to back home. Then I make a tea for all. Then I prepare dinner. Then I rest for some time. Then start make food for dinner. Then we take a dinner.
और डिनर नहीं, डिनर एक खाना थोड़ी खाते हो आप, खाना खाते हो।
We take a dinner.
फिर से वी टेक अ डिनर। हम एक खाना खाते हैं ऐसे बोलते हैं या हम खाना खाते हैं ऐसे बोलते हैं? एक खाना थोड़ी खाते हो आप, करेक्ट?
We take dinner. After that, I go to bed. Then after some time, I operate my mobile. Thank you.
Good morning all. Priyanka ma'am. I woke up at 5 a.m. Then I wash my face. Then I read English. Then I filled water for drink. Then I make breakfast. Then take milk. Then I take bath. Then after that ready for school. Then I attended English class. Then I attend prayer.
यू मिक्सिंग इट प्रियंका, एक आप मैं करती हूँ, दूसरे लाइन आप मैंने किया, मैं करती हूँ मैंने किया, ऐसे बता रहे हो। आइदर यू हैव टू टेल वॉट एवर यू डू इन अ डेली बेसिस और यू हैव टू टेल व्हाट यू डिड इन वन पर्टिकुलर। या तो आप डेली जो करती हैं वो बताइए, या फिर आपने कल क्या किया या आज क्या किया वो बताइए। अभी आप ऐसे बता रही कि मैं ये करती हूँ मैंने ये किया, मैं ये करती हूँ मैंने ये किया, करेक्ट? सो आइदर बी इन प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस और बी इन पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस। अभी आप क्या बता रही हैं? डेली रूटीन बता रही हैं, रोज जो करती हैं वो, या आज आपने जो किया वो बता रही हैं?
आज मैंने किया।
ओके, तो स्टार्ट अगेन मॉर्निंग से, जो किया सिर्फ वही बताइए। ओके?
Yes. I woke up at 5 a.m. Then I wash my face. Then I read English. Then I filled water for drink. Then I make a food. Then I take bath. Then I ready for school. Then I attended English class. Then I attended prayer. Then I taking class first, second, third.
ये सब कर लिया आपने आज? प्रेयर अटेंड कर लिया, क्लास ले लिया? हैव यू डन ऑल दिस थिंग्स टुडे? यू टॉकिंग अबाउट टुडेज रूटीन। आज जो आपने किया है वो बता रही है। आप बोलिए मैंने क्लास लिया, फिर मैंने प्रेयर अटेंड किया, ये सब कर लिया आपने? ओके, सो विल ट्राई इट अगेन टुमारो. ओके, वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड.
Yes.
ओके.
Good morning, sir, and good morning, all teachers. I telling you my daily routine. So let's start. Then, firstly, I wake up at 6 in the morning generally. Then I pray, Pratha Smaran. Then I will. Then I sit on the bed, and then I feel relaxed. Then I wake up from bed, and then I clean my teeth by brush and take towel for bath, and then I worship. Then I meditate. Before meditate, I do some exercise and some pranayam. Then I meditate for, and then I meditate. Then I make tea. To make tea, I first add two cup milk and half spoon tea leaves and two spoon sugar. Then boil it. Then I filter. Then I take tea for with my husband, and then I cook food, some breakfast and take breakfast, and I clean my kitchen and clean, wash my utensils and arrange on the place, and then I get ready for my school. Then I go my school, and when I reach my school, then I take my English model class. Tiwari sir, we teach us, and he is very good teacher, and we always remove our question and all queries. Then I do prayer with all staff and children, and then I take my class first one, class play one, and firstly I check assignment of children, and then I arrange my class. First I arrange my class and then check my students report assignment. Okay. Then after 12:30 I take my lunch and with all staff and children, and then I come my activity class, and we take activity class of children, and after 3 p.m. I go computer class and do some works, and for example I make for assignment for children, and daily marketing report, and then after 5 p.m. I go my home. Then then go my home, and on the way I take I buy some vegetables for dinner, and then I reach my home. Firstly I clean my hand with sanitizer, then I fresh, then I take some rest, then I take tea, then I worship the evening, and then I cook food for dinner, and sometime I read some books and English practice for sometimes, and then I took food, take food. Okay, then I take food with my husband, and then I go. Then I gave some foods to the dogs nearly my home, and then I go for sleep, and then I sleep.
ओके, यू आर डूइंग टू मच। हर लाइन के बाद आप करके उसको स्ट्रेच कर रहे हो। सेकेंडली आप बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रहे हो नहीं, हाँ नहीं, हाँ, ऐसे हर सेंट के बाद जैसे कुछ बोल रहे हो नहीं, हाँ, तो दिस यू हैव टू से इन इंग्लिश। नो नो नो, यस यस यस, लाइक दिस। एंड स्ट्रेचिंग कम करिए आप, और जो स्ट्रेच कर रहे हैं उसको थोड़ा कम करिए धीरे धीरे, मतलब उसको बिल्कुल नहीं करना है। ओके, बट आ जाएगा धीरे से प्रैक्टिस में। ओके, वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड।